You know who it is. It's your girl BJ The Real, and I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of what I did in Miami.
They grill this octopus.
Yeah, chickpea, they grind it into a flour, and then they fry it.
It's that sauce though that's really good. That olive oil, that lemon, that's dripping from it.
I'm gonna do the red sauce. It comes with green that's fine.
I had to chase it with this.
I don't ride it, but I'm like, I don't ride it. No, this is what I told him. I was like, he got a lot of stuff and then he gonna fit it. He's good.
What's that flavor? Okay.
But no, it wasn't. That shit was the worst. You know, I didn't see the ride the whole way
This
out.
don't taste fruity or nothing.
I couldn't see the ride the whole way out. I had this big
Where the fruity at? I'm finna send this shit back.
whole trip. I tried to get my
That means it's a lot of liquor in here. No, he didn't give me a virgin one. There's no sugar or nothing in here. Like, what is this? You know what that means, nigga? It's a lot of liquor in there. Where's the sugar? He just gave us some ice, some colored ice. This shit tastes like color.
Well, I'm putting Believe Week 2021.
It should taste like happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Malik. Happy birthday to you. That scared me. That scared me. That scared me. He said I wanted to break it. Oh, he broke it.
Yeah, he broke it so that he had the throw away. Once he dropped it, I guess he had
You dropped the legal action.
Okay, they already had the shots, y'all, because my camera is bogus.
We drink that regular. This is not on Amaretto Fat.
This not Amaretto, but it's something close to it.
Yeah, this is Amaretto.
It kind of tastes like it, though.
This ain't, I drink them enough. It's sweet though. Amaretto is a little more, it's sour, but it has that sweet to it. Like it's thicker, like a syrup.
I like this. Why the hell he didn't bring us this one?
Right, why we couldn't sit on this? This tastes better than that shit we had. And just made it into like a margarita or something. Oh, this is tequila or something. I can taste the tequila in it.
Yeah,
Is
it's
this
tequila.
Oh, you don't even, it doesn't even care. It doesn't even care. I get it, bro. This tastes good. Take advantage of your week. Ooh, is this pasta? Is this pasta?
The birthday boy.
It's sour, whatever they put in it, but that liquor is like, it's like, I'm here. No, you can taste that it's either tequila or vodka, something white.
I don't know. I just took a shot.
Good. For somebody that don't drink. Oh, what this is again? No.
Look, your sister took her shot to play you today.
It's tastes
Like
good.
that, she could eat the cherry and everything.
I know, it's
You
sour.
missed our Oprah moment. You missed our Oprah moment.
They just wait, took shots. They had fire food.
They had fire food.
Oh,
Yeah.
They asked me, like, where's he at?
Where's the guy? I told him to do number 2.
That's yours.
So that was the birthday dinner we attended, and it was so nice, guys. We was at a Greek restaurant, and yes, it is on South Beach, but it's towards like 12th Street or something like that in that area. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, guys. The food was so good. That octopus was fire. So you guys make sure, I don't know the name of it. I could probably get the name of it, but make sure y'all definitely check them out. A Greek restaurant, you know, I don't know, put it in GPS or something, it might come up. But anyway, we had a ball. It was so nice, guys. So I'm gonna just let y'all see a couple videos because we went to the beach after that, because of course we were on the beach. So we went to the beach, and yes, we had a blast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching. Okay, guys, so this wraps our trip up. And yes, it was a trip to remember. We did all type of stuff. We went to about 5 different clubs. We went to dinner and brunch every day. We had such a great moment and memories for many years to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I am BJ The Real on all social media platforms. Thanks for watching.
$44.64 altogether.
Oh, you want to pay now?
Y'all, we back again. It tastes pretty cool. Before we get on the plane. Y'all want to run out?